Like a shaky. So we decided to take the doggies to the beach. It's Dayna's last vacation day. Boo. Oh boys. Excited for the beach. The beach. Nice clear sunny day. Oh, it does have one leg. Oh boys. Wanna go check out the water?
That's weird. Do they go in the water?
Marley will. He'll get like close to it and like play a little with his mom. Come on, Mark. You want to check out the water? And it's like sandy on that side. Oh, Louie, come on. Look at. He's like, no, not happening. Come on, Mark. What's in the water? What's in there? What is that? So before beach day, we did pedicures. Let's show our pretty toesies. Pretty toes. We have a combo of leftovers, sandwiches, and a nice view.
Yeah.
Hecka perfect. Bailey's first beach time. The water is hella high. Then it'll be all sticky.
Yeah, I understand.
What do you think, Ken?
He's not really one for the beach.
He's learning. Look. He's like,
no.
Riley's like, help me, come on.
Yeah.
Find what we can
They're
find.
the troublemakers. And Lou and Hen are just the calm ones. Oh my goodness! Bailey!
Does Bailey swim?
I don't know.
Here, the water's pretty calm over here. Let's see what they think. Come on, Lou. Come on. Come on, you guys. Marley, what's over here? Marley, down here. Come on, Mar. What's over here? Get in there, Marley. Check out the water. Cooling off, Mar. Does that feel good? Get it. Get it, Mar. Get the water. I like to dig at it. What is it, Mar?
Oh, it's not that.
Doggy Beach time. Louie, don't. Marley's hella dirty. The tide was too high, so you can't find seashells. End of the beach day, and these two gave up.
Yeah.
The sissy nubs.
These are our fragile boys. Those are
The
our
other
outdoor
two are
boys.
like still going, trying to jump on everything.